what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now today we're going to be learning how to draw a pilgrim. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. One more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Well, let's go down to the drawing, let's go see what we can come
Okay,
up
so
with.
for the first step in making our pilgrim, we're going to begin by making the top of the head. This will consist of one small line to the left, and then two pieces of hair in the middle. After we make these two pieces of hair in the middle, we're going to make one small line to the right. Awesome, that looks fantastic. Now for the next step, we're going to begin to make one big U-like shape down below. This will connect from the left-hand side all the way over to the right-hand side. And let's just connect this line right here. Awesome. Now we're going to begin to make one small C-like shape on each side of the head that we just made. Awesome. Now for this next step, we're going to begin to make one big oval-like shape on the top of the head. So this will be the first part of the hat. For this step, you and I will both make one small hook-like shape above each ear on the left side and on the right-hand side. Once we're done making these shapes, we're going to connect them. That looks great. Now that we have that shape connected, we're going to begin to make the top of the hat. Now once we finish that top part of the hat, like we just did, we're going to begin to make one buckle. This will be on the bottom part of the hat. On the top of that buckle, we'll make one line going from left to right. Whoa, that looks awesome. Now for this next step, we're going to move into the face of our Amish person. For me, I'm going to make small squinting eyes, but if you want to make big large eyes, that's completely okay as well. Now for the nose that I make, I'm going to make a simple backward C-like shape. Now under the small nose that I just made, I'm going to make a big U-like shaped smile. Whoa, look at that! Now we have our head completed. So we're going to move down below the head and we're going to begin to make the collar of our Amish person. Now for the next step, we're going to begin to make the body. So we're going to start over on the left hand side and we're going to make a hook-like shape. We're going to make the exact same shape over on the right hand side. That looks fantastic. Now for this next step, we're going to begin to make the arms and hands of our Amish person. So we're going to start over on the left hand side. We're going to make a small shape. Now we're going to hop over to the right hand side and we're going to make the exact same shape that we just made on the left hand side. Now you and I will connect these small shapes that we just made to the body with two parallel lines. That looks absolutely fantastic. Now for this next step, we're going to begin to make the hands of our pilgrim. For me personally, I'm going to give my pilgrim 3 fingers on each hand, but if you want to give your pilgrim more, then that'll work out completely fine as well. Now we're approaching the end, but we're not done just yet. So for this next step, we're going to go below the body. We're going to begin to make 2 parallel lines, and these parallel lines will look similar to rectangles. Now let's make 1 foot on the bottom of each leg that we have just made. Now to finish our drawing, we will finish by making a belt. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's go get ready for dance party color time.
Into your skin, there's no you.